We're getting some more breaking updates coming in, viewers. Amid the hot debate over the rift between Team India and coach Gautam Gambhir and players, Gambhir issued a statement saying that Indian cricket is in safe hands. Further, I repeat, further adding that the debate between the coach and players should remain in the dressing room. Big update coming in right now, Republic TV viewers. And this is, I repeat, this is the big update. And remember, there were so many reports of unrest in the Indian dressing room following the loss in the Boxing Day test. And after that, we see back-to-back updates coming in. Gautam Gambhir says that Indian cricket is right now in safe hands. This is coming in the backdrop of the unrest in the dressing room, and there was a lot of talk about what really is happening in the dressing room, or whether the players are getting along. Back-to-back updates coming in right now, Republic TV viewers. We're trying to connect to our sports team, our Sport Fit. We are getting, I repeat, we are getting Shane now live, joining us from our newsroom. And Shane, you know, this is very important because there was a little controversy which erupted. If you could take our viewers through what this controversy is about and what are these talks that Gautam Gambhir is referring to. These talks, some debates which happen in the dressing room. Go ahead, Shane.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, the main thing that has happened is that after the loss in the Boxing Day test, there has been a news report that has leaked and spoken about the fact that Gambhir had a very honest, heart-to-heart conversation with the players where he said that, listen, enough is enough. You can't be talking about playing your natural game and not playing to team situations. You need to be putting the team first. So this report, as it is, has blown up, has gone viral, and there's been a lot of debate over it. So it was very surprising to see the head coach himself come out to address a pre-match press conference. Usually it'll be one of the players or it'll be one of the support staff of the coaching team who will come out to address these conferences. But the fact that Gambhir himself came out shows that he's come out swinging.
Shane, I'll come back to you, Shane. Thank you for getting us those details. This is from our Sport Fit team. We will be right back. Do not go anywhere, viewers.
Viewers, in a big breaking news, Pranto Talukdar, a Hindu boy from Chittagong, has been forced out of his home by locals who falsely accused him of making derogatory remarks about the Jamaat group on Facebook. This comes as atrocities against Hindus continue under the Yunus regime in Bangladesh. He has been found by the police. He's injured and has been taken to the hospital for treatment. We also have a CCTV footage, viewers, that you can see on your screens right now, where a Hindu boy was in Chittagong. Pranto Talukdar was falsely accused of making derogatory remarks about the Jamaat group on Facebook and was then forced out of his house by the Bangladeshi Muslim crowd, like you can see on your screens. This comes as the atrocities surrounding Hindus in Bangladesh continues to mount day after day with no respite from the side of the Yunus regime. We're also being joined by Kishle from the Bangla newsroom to get us more on this story. Kishle, tell me more about this. A Hindu boy was forced on alleged charges of disrespecting the Jamaat or making derogatory remarks against the Jamaat group on Facebook. And this comes on the same day as the Hindu seer Chinmoy Das is set to be presented in front of a Bangladesh court for his hearing. Kishle.
Well, exactly. It has become a fashion now in Bangladesh to abduct Hindus and to torture them and to give explanation that it was because of a Facebook post or some social media post. Now, yesterday night, a Hindu boy named Pranto Talukdar, he was abducted from his house. Miscreants, Jamati supporters came to his house, went inside, barged in, dragged him out of his house and took him to an unknown location, tied him up with a pole and then beat him up, and he is badly injured. Later on, he was from that particular location. Police found him and then took him to the hospital. Right now, he has been admitted to Chattogram Medical College and Hospital. His condition is quite serious. He has been beaten up mercilessly. Now, police is saying that we have lodged a charge and we are investigating the matter. But the primary factor, the primary question is, where is the where is the right now? Where is the situation going, and why every time Hindus will be targeted by radicals, Islamic radicals, and Jamatis every time, and then police will come up with an explanation that we are starting an investigation and we will look into it. Until now, not a single person has been arrested. He is being right now treated in the hospital, and police is saying that they are investigating the matter.